When birds do fly, their feathers raise to caress the gentle bluish sky, they do not flap in madness, nor kick their clumsy feet, nor lurch their bodies to and fro, nor bid that luck will take them. For when birds do fly, they fall and fall, struggling all their angered while. They try their best upon one way to crimson catch their meek display. For when birds do fly, it is not chance or circumstance's smile what thrusts the bird on out his nest, it is his own decision. That work he muchly puts up front will discover the bird's noble best. Through careful balance and precision will take him off in flight. When birds do fly, they think of chicks, too frightened to prevail their wings. They pity those that do not try, that their brightly colours will never shine. Chicks that let fear be the wolf upon the forest floor. Though the snapping of the wolf's cruel jaws will the weak ones quickly heed and sway, when birds do fly, it is up to them whether they should fly away.